Hi guys, in this class we will discuss chapter number 5 different problems in PHP and their solution. So problem is that we have to get a angle from user to find trigonometric functions, for example sine, cos, tangent. So in PHP there are different trigonometric functions you can find their answer. So I want to save this file, and then I have to create a new folder inside PHP problems, new folder, chapter number 05. Inside this chapter, problem number 1, extension is PHP file I have to create, and then HTML basic structure I have to get chapter number 5, problem number 1, that. So what I have to do, I have to get an angle from user. At first, that we have to use a HTML form, and its method should be a get method. Inside this form I have to write a input field number I need, because angle will be in the form of number format, and then name attribute value should be equal to, for example, angle, and then submit button I need, its name attribute value will be sub. Now inside I have to cut this form right in body section. Now what I have to do, I have to write a PHP tag. Inside PHP tag I want to say that if it's set, if this button is set to if this button is set, or if this button is active, then what I have to do, you have to get data from this field as entered by user. So using get variable, its name attribute value, I can fetch this field data. Now store this result into a variable name is, for example, variable name is angle, then put a semicolon, echo, you enter this one, angle, angle. Now open the browser, just remove this one, that parent directory. This is chapter number 5, problem 1. Remove this line or make this a comment, refresh this one. This is angle, for example, submit, you enter this number. So I want to find sine, cos and tangent, angle taken from user. So may comment this one or remove this line, or just did not want to remove this one. So on the new line, what I have to do next, I want to say that at first I want to find sine. For sine you have to type sine, take argument will be angle is entered by user, we are getting angle from user, so that is why put a dollar symbol, angle. So this is very easiest way to find sine value, just sine and angle is getting from user, store that data sine value into sine variable name, and then I can display this value, echo sine equal to concatenation with this one. Just refresh sine value, d I have to remove from this one, refresh. Now another value I want to provide, 0.1, 1. You can see sine 1 value is this one, 0.6 valid value. So actually this input box uh, take from 1 to, I want to remove this number and text. Just refresh this one. Now you can provide 0.1 value. You can see that 0.1 sign value is displaying here. So another you can also find for just get a equal line for line break. I want to say that for cause equal to its variable name. I want to say that its variable name should be cause, and then another one for tangent. If you want to find tangent, this is a method name is tan, and then its variable name also tan. Now refresh this browser. You can see that all the values displaying here. For example, 1 sine 1 value, cos 1 value, tangent 1 value. So this is a very easy problem solution for beginner. So you can get more exercises to improve your PHP programming skill. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.